Okay, please see. So linked list is the second data structure we are going to see. We are having data in the form of nodes. So I have 3 nodes in my linked list, where each node is divided into 2 parts: data part or info part. Suppose in 3 nodes I have stored BAT, info part or data part, and second part is the pointer part. This pointer part contains the address of the next node. This pointer part contains the address of the next node, and this is a cross indicating null. That means end of my linked list. Here my linked list ends. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This pointer is called my start pointer. My start pointer basically contains the address of the first node. Okay, is it clear? So data is in the form of nodes. So every node, at every node we are storing data plus address of the next node. Data, address of the next node. Data null, because here we don't have address because we don't have the next node. So here my linked list ends. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now suppose this T is stored on 3040 memory location, and A is stored on 2040 memory location, and B is stored on 4060 memory location. So T is stored on 3040. So here I will store the address of the next node. 2040 address of the next node, and 4060 is the address of the first node. Hence start will have 4060 as the address. Address of the first node, then data address of the second node, data address of the third node, and then null indicates the end of your linked list. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, if you compare this linked list with arrays, so in array we had to define size at the beginning. Prior we need to define the size, and what will be the size of array, how many elements the array will contain. But in linked list you do not need to define its size. Okay? Because you can have n number of nodes. That is why we call we say linked list is a dynamic data structures, because its size can grow. Its size can grow till we want it to grow. Like suppose in arrays there are 10 students which are entering to me. I make an array of 10, then I cannot put 11 students into it. But in case of linked list, I can add as many number of students as I want to add. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now the structure is clear. Data is in the form of nodes, and at each node we are storing 2 things: data plus address of the next node, data plus address of the next node, data, then null. In my case, linked list is having 3 nodes. It may have 4 nodes, 5 nodes, n number of nodes. And start is a pointer which contains the address of the first node. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes, sir.
let us see how we store this linked list into the memory. Are you able to view this table?
Yes, sir.
So we have data, we have pointer, we have data and pointer. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So which node is my first node?
B.
B. So suppose I randomly store here BAT, suppose randomly. Now first node is B. So start will point to B. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
After B we have which node?
A.
A. What is the address of A? Where A is stored?
4.
4. तो B के साथ मुझे स्टोर करना पड़ेगा A का एड्रेस. B के बाद फोर्थ पे A है. And after A I have T. What is the address of T?
6, sir.
6. So A will have the address of T. And T is having no node further. So here I will put 0. 0 means end of the linked list. So start is B node. After B node on 4th location I have A. After A on 6th location I have T. So BAT. This is how we store our linked list into the memory. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Is it easy?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Should we move now?
Yes, sir.
Now check how many locations are empty into this linked list. 1, 2, 3. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So that means 3 locations I have empty. That means 3 nodes I can add into my linked list because I have 3 locations empty. So linked list में कितने node डाल सकते हैं? Depends upon the empty locations. How many empty locations I have? 1, 2, 3. But in case of our computer, there are n number of free memory locations. Hence, we do not need to worry when we need to add a new node into the linked list. Is it clear? Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Should we move now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any questions,
sir.
any doubts? Any questions? Should we move now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Now, our next topic is traversing a linked list. What do you mean by traversing?
Processing, sir.
Processing.
Processing each element.
Processing, exactly.
Processing.
I make a linked list. So my linked list can have any number of nodes, maybe 3, maybe 4, maybe 5. So I have stored some data into it. Suppose HATS hats. Any data I can store in my linked list. Okay. And this is my start pointer, which contains the address of the first node, then data address of the next node, data address of the next node, data address of the next node, and null at the last to tell here my linked list ends.
And
Yes or no?
yes, sir.
Okay. Now, so my linked list always starts from start and ends at
Null.
null. So algo for traversing. What will be the algo for traversing? Your pointer will move from start. Yes or no? Pointer will move from start.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And repeat while pointer is not equal to null. जब तक क्या नहीं आएगा? मुझे start से लेके कहां तक जाना है?
Null tak.
Null तक. Process info of PTR. I explain all these steps. Pointer is equal to link of pointer, and here my loop ends. End of step 2 loop, and here is the end of the algo. If you compare, if you remember, we had done traversing of the array. तो traversing of the array हमने कहां से किया? Lower bound से लेके कहां तक किया था?
Upper bound.
Upper bound तक. But here we will move from start to null. So pointer is at start.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So till which position I need to go? Till null. So
Null.
what point is at start? What is info at start?
H.
H.
H. So I will process H. First node is processed.
Yes, sir.
So now I need to go to the second node.
Yes, sir.
Enough. Then I will move to third node to process, then fourth node to process, and finally null will end. So I will process H. What is the link of H? Which node?
A.
A. The pointer will
sir.
come on A. I will process A. What is the link of A?
T.
T, sir.
Pointer will come on T. I will process T. What is link of T?
S, sir.
S. The pointer will be on S. I will process S. What is link of S?
Nulls.
Null.
No, sir.
Null.
So here
Null.
my loop will end. So this step is used for jumping from first node to the second node, second node to the third node till null. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear now?
Sir, explain third
Yes, sir.
and fourth step again, please.
बिल्कुल. Point is at start. Start node is which node? H.
Sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
I will process H. Info means what is the data stored? H. I will process H. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
What is the link of H? Link of H is
A. A.
A. Pointer will come on A. I will process A. What is link of A?
T.
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 Pointer will come on T. I will process T. What is link of T?
S.
S. Pointer will come on S. I will process S. What is link of S?
Null.
Null. Loop will end.
Okay.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Is it easy?
Yes, sir.
अगर if we compare it with array, तो array की यहाँ पे हम लिखते थे k is equal to lower bound. Yes or no?
सर स्टार्ट पे नहीं लिखते थे?
हाँ, start में first step.
अच्छा
array
अच्छा.
में linked list में we are writing this. In arrays we were writing this. और वहां हम लिखते थे जब तक k is less than equal to upper bound. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
और फिर हम लिखते थे process a of k. If we are comparing with array. And आगे जंप करने के लिए हम लिखते थे k is equal to k plus 1. Next location पे जंप करने के लिए. तो next node पे जंप करने के लिए we have this step. Pointer is equal to link of pointer. Link of pointer. Link of pointer. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Please make sure you cannot write here pointer is equal to pointer plus 1. Because in arrays, elements were linearly stored. But in linked list, elements are not linearly stored. One location is stored here, second is stored somewhere at somewhere else position. जो हमने table बनाया था अभी. So pointer is equal to pointer plus 1 will not fetch the next element. This step will fetch. Your new pointer will be, if you move from H to A, your new pointer will be link of old pointer. Old pointer was H. इसका link क्या है? A. Pointer will come on A. You process A. Link of A, T. Process T. Link of T, S. Process S. Link of S, null. Loop will end. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is it
Yes,
clear?
sir.
Any doubts, any question you can ask, please. You have any doubts, you have any questions, please ask.
सर नल का मतलब जीरो होता है?
Null means end. Null is not zero everywhere. In every situation, null is not zero. Null is just a marker which tells you here the list ends.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any questions? Any questions? Should we move now?
Yes, sir.
Now suppose I erase a few steps of arrays I had written. Now tell me, if I ask you write an algorithm for counting the number of nodes, so you will do what? You will do count here 0 and process तो अभी करना नहीं है, traversing नहीं कर रहे. So count is equal to count plus 1. जैसे जैसे नोड आती जाएगी वो काउंट करता जाएगा नल तक. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
A simple algo to calculate how many nodes we have in the list. तो जीरो कर लो, लूप के अंदर काउंट को 1 plus 1 कर दो. जितनी बार नल तक जलेगा वो काउंट नोड्स काउंट करता जाएगा. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Move now.
Yes, sir.
But suppose somebody says you count the number of how many. Suppose I don't have this HADS hats. I have some numeric data. 10, 15, 20, 30. I want to count how many numbers are even numbers in the list. How many even numbers we have. So what you will do? If
Count plus 2.
info of pointer divided by 2 is 0, that means number is even. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Then count
Yes,
is equal to
sir.
count plus 1. हाँ, लूप के बाहर I have to display count here. कितने नोड आए? तो जब जब नोड का 2 से डिवाइड करूंगा 0 आएगा, that means number is even. I will count it. Yes or no? But somebody says you count both, count even and odd. So count E will count even and count O will count odd. So if number divided by 2 is 0, that means it will be counted as even. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Else count odd is equal to count odd plus 1. Is it easy? अगर नोड की इन्फो 2 से डिवाइड हो गई तो उसको इवन में काउंट कर लेंगे, नहीं तो ऑड में काउंट कर लेंगे. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
But
Yes,
suppose
sir.
I have some data as negative also, 10, minus 15, 20, 30. I need to count how many numbers are positive and negative. So count P, count N. So if info PTR is less than 0, that means number is negative. Yes
sir.
or no?
Yes, sir.
So I will count N plus 1, negative plus 1. Else count positive is equal to count positive plus 1. Yes or no? Easy,
Yes,
hai na? If info is less than 0 for each node, it will be counted as negative. Otherwise, will be counted as positive. Next node पे तो जाएंगे ही जाएंगे. Pointer is equal to link of pointer से. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
But somebody says you, I have some data A, B, E, F, and he says you count the number of vowels. So I will count vowel as 0 initially. If info of pointer is A or E or I or O or U, so count is equal to count plus 1. Now check. Point is at start. Is it vowel?
Yes.
Yes, it will be counted 1. Is it vowel?
No.
No. So we will jump on the next node. Point is equal to link of pointer. Is it vowel?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
A, E.
Yes.
Count is 2. Is it vowel?
No.
No. So, and here will have a display count. That count is 2. Is it easy?
Yes,
So
sir.
everywhere you will be writing pointer is equal to start for starting from the first node. We have to go till null and pointer is equal to link of pointer. This step is very important for jumping from first node to the second node. In arrays, we were writing k is equal to k plus 1 because array elements were linearly stored. But here elements are not linearly stored. I have to find the address of the next node and data contains the address of the next node. Is it easy? Any doubts, any questions? Please. Any doubts?
No, sir.
Should we move now?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we have the case of searching in a linked list. So we have to search for an item from the linked list. So it has two cases: from unsorted list and from the sorted list. So we have two cases. If it is mentioned in the paper, write an algorithm for searching in the sorted list, then you need to write the algorithm for sorted. If it is written as unsorted, you need to write the algorithm for unsorted. But if it is not mentioned, then you can go for any algorithm. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Now let us start with the first case, searching in an unsorted linked list. Okay? So searching in a unsorted linked list. So topic, I have a linked list and the data is unsorted. Data is suppose 10, 6, 20. Here is my start and here is my null. So as you can check, list is unsorted. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So let us go for it searching. And item I want to search is 6, suppose. Or item I want to search is 20. So I am discussing where the search will be successful. Because I know 20 exists in my list. Yes or no? So I will start searching from
Start.
And I will go till
Null.
null. So repeat while pointer is not equal to null. Third step. Let me write the algo, then I will explain. If info of pointer is equal to item, then location is equal to pointer, else pointer is equal to link of pointer, end of if, end of step 2 loop. I will set the location as null if the search is unsuccessful. End. So now let us see the algo. So pointer is at item I am searching is 20. Pointer is at
Start.
start. I will search from start to null. So repeatable pointer is not equal to null. So info pointer is at start. Is this 20?
No, sir.
No. So I will jump on to the
Link.
next node. Pointer is equal to link of pointer. Pointer is here now. Is this 20?
No, sir.
No. So again pointer is equal to link of pointer. I will jump here. Is this 20?
Yes, sir.
Is info is equal to item? Is info is equal to item?
Yes.
So that pointer
Yes,
will become
sir.
your location. That pointer will become your location ki that item is found. Is it clear? See, from start till null, if item matches with my any info part, so that pointer will become my location. Else I will keep on jumping to the next node for searching on the next node, searching on the next node. And in case the search is unsuccessful, suppose we are searching 60. In that case, I will set location as null because 60 does not exist in my array, my linked list. Set location as null when the search is unsuccessful because location is not found. That item is not existing in my linked list. Yes or no?
Sure.
Any step which is not clear? Any step which is not clear? Should I repeat it?
Yes, sir.
So I have to search some item. I say I need to search 20. So I will search from start to null.
Yes, sir.
So I will start from the start and go till
Null.
null. जब तक pointer में क्या नहीं आता null. And pointer is at start. Pointer is at start. Is info at start 20?
No, sir.
No. So else pointer is equal to link of pointer. Pointer will come here. Is info is equal to item?
No, sir.
No. So I will jump on the next node. Now is item matches with info?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So that pointer will become my location where it will be a match. Otherwise, if item is not found, suppose I say I'm searching 40 and I can see 40 does not exist. So in that case, I will set the location as null. That element is not found. Is it easy?
Yes,
सर
sir.
एक बार लास्ट वाला स्टेप बता दो, जब हम सेट लोकेशन इज इक्वल टू नल
ये
करेंगे.
हम तब करेंगे इन केस मैंने क्या लिखा है, अनसक्सेसफुल क्वेश्चन मार्क. दिस मींस इफ सर्च इज अनसक्सेसफुल, इफ द आइटम वी आर सर्चिंग डज नॉट एग्जिस्ट, so in that case I will set the location as null.
सर अगर एग्जिस्ट करते तो फिर पीटीआर.
नहीं यस, अगर एग्जिस्ट करती है फिर तो पीटीआर लोकेशन बन जाएगा ना. मिल गया.
यस सर.
Any questions, any doubts, any step which is not clear? Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
कुछ 3-4 लोगों का ये आवाज आ रहा है. हाँ, तो let us do a poll to check how many people are attending the class. Please, there are only 2 questions in the first poll. Attempt in the minimum time. Please attempt it. Few more seconds. Please attempt fast. Okay, I'm going to end this poll now. So first is linked list is a static data structure or dynamic data structure?
Dynamic.
It is a dynamic data
Dynamic.
structure. And
Dynamic.
disadvantage of using linked list is all of the above. Because
Yes, sir.
linked list
Extra
takes
memory.
extra memory,
Yes, sir.
extra
Extra
code,
memory,
and we cannot access element randomly. Hence answer is
because it is dynamic.
all of the above.
All
All 3 are the shortcomings. Extra memory is required to store the pointer because along with data we store the address of the next node. So extra memory is required. Extra code is required to process that pointer. And we cannot access element randomly because the address of a node is contained in the just previous node. Every node is containing the address of the next node. So we cannot access element randomly. Like in arrays we could. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So is it clear now? Should we move next?
Yes, sir.
Now we will discuss the case about searching in a sorted linked list. Searching in a sorted linked list. And the data I have in my linked list is suppose like this. Because as the data will be sorted now, so data is here 10, 20, 40. List is sorted?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So item
Yes,
I
sir.
am going to search is suppose 40. So I'm discussing the case where search will be successful. Okay. There may be a case in which case the search is unsuccessful. We will discuss that also. So now there is something to discuss here. Suppose I search 16. So 16 is greater than 10.
Yes, sir.
वो आगे होगा.
Yes, sir.
Is 16 greater than 20?
No, sir.
तो आगे तो हो ही नहीं सकता because आगे 20 सारे बड़े एलिमेंट्स हैं.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now again pointer will move from start and repeat while pointer is not equal to null. Start to null. I will search. Third
Yes,
step.
sir.
If item is greater than info, let me write the algo, then I will explain it. If item is greater than info PTR, then pointer is equal to link of pointer. Else if item matches with info PTR, Then I will set the location as pointer, else set location as null. Here my if ends, end of if, and here my loop ends, end of step 2 loop. Fourth step, set location is equal to null again in case the search is unsuccessful, question mark. Fifth step is end. Should I explain it?
Yes, sir.
The point is at start. What we are searching?
40.
40.
40.
Is 40 greater than the info start?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
तो वो कहाँ होगा आगे?
Yes, sir.
20. Yes.
Pointer is equal to link of pointer to jump on the next node.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now pointer is on 20. Is item greater than info pointer? Is 40 greater than 20?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I will
Yes,
jump
sir.
on the next node.
Yes, sir. Null.
Is item matches with info pointer?
Yes, sir.
So that pointer will become my location that found.
Location.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Should I repeat it? You are searching 40. So your item is 40 and pointer is at start. Is 40 greater than info pointer? Is 40 greater than 10?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I will jump on the next node. Pointer is equal to link of pointer. This is the step we use to jump from the first node to the second node. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now pointer is here. Is 40 greater than 20?
Yes, sir.
So again item is greater than info. So pointer is equal to link of pointer. Pointer will come here. Is
Yes,
40
sir.
greater than 40?
No, sir.
Is 40 matches with info?
Yes, sir.
So that pointer will become your location.
Yes, sir.
कि मिल गया. But suppose you are searching 16. So is item greater than 10?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So I will jump on the next node.
Yes, sir.
Now is item greater than info?
No, sir.
No. Is item matches with info?
No, sir.
तो आगे तो हो ही नहीं ना सकता, इसलिए लोकेशन को क्या कर दिया?
Null कर दिया.
आगे तो हो ही नहीं सकता. Location is null. If item is not greater than, like 16 is not greater than 20, and even 16 is not equal to 20, though both conditions are false, तो else चलेगा. Location will be
Null, sir.
because 20 के आगे तो 16 हो ही नहीं सकता because this is sorted.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Yes, sir.
And finally, we will set the location as null in case of unsuccessful search.
एक्सक्यूज मी सर.
Yes, yes, yes.
सर हमने पहले भी उसको लोकेशन को नल की इक्वल करा, फिर हमें दोबारा करने की जरूरत क्यों पड़ी?
बिल्कुल सही, आपने ये क्वेश्चन भाई सही पूछा. Because ये लोकेशन null इसलिए है because if the item is falling smaller than the my list, because आगे तो हो नहीं हो सकता. यहाँ मुझे रोक देनी है कि आगे नहीं हो सकता. लोकेशन को null करके एग्जिट कर जाएंगे, आगे जाएंगे ही नहीं. आगे मैं क्यों सर्च करूं? 20 के आगे तो 16 हो ही नहीं सकता. Yes or no? Yes or no? Because 20 is the bigger than 16 and आगे 20 से बड़े elements ही होंगे because this is sorted. So here I will stop my search and this is location as null. Suppose I am searching 5. अब इसका comparison होगा ही नहीं कभी because item कभी बड़ा नहीं है और element array में exist ही नहीं करता है. तो in that case I will set location as null. ये उसके लिए है location is null when element will start falling shorter than the element in my list. Is it clear?
ओके सर.
Any step
Yes,
which is
sir.
not clear. If item is greater than my element, I will go to the next element. If it matches with my element, that pointer will become my location. That pointer will become my location. आगे अगर मैं 16 search कर रहा हूँ and suppose 16 and 16 is not greater than the info part, 16 is less than the info part and 16 does not match with it, that means आगे तो element हो ही नहीं सकता. In that case location will be null. कि आगे तो element हो ही नहीं सकता and we will exit. आगे search क्यों करें? Because if we search, we are wasting time. Yes or no? 20 के बाद 16 हो सकता है क्या? Please answer.
No,
No,
sir.
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 So why we need to search? Is it clear?
Yes,
Is it
sir.
clear to
Yes,
everyone?
Yes, sir.
Should we move next now?
Yes, sir.
Should I erase it?
Sir, what will be its complexity?
See, in case of linked list, again my search depends upon number of nodes. See, any search algorithm you use, we have used linear search, we have used binary search, and two searching algorithm we have done till now. In both cases, our search was dependent upon n. Kitna time lagega, time synchronicity kitni hogi, depends upon number of nodes. And again, we have three cases. Those three cases, if you remember, best case, average case, and worst case. Best case, if you find the element on the first node.
Yes, sir.
If you don't find till the last, or you find in the last, it will be my worst case. And if you find the intermediate any number of node, then it will be my average case.
Average case.
Okay. Should we move now?
Yes, sir.
Should we move
Yeah.
now?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. So next we have a very important definition, important concept. That concept is called what is the term? Garbage collection. Have you heard of this?
Yes, sir.
No, you have not heard of it. You have heard of garbage value.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Suppose I say int x is 10 and I say cout x. What will be the value of x? 10. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
But if I write int x, I don't give it any value and I do cout x. What will be the answer?
Garbage value.
Garbage value. Why garbage value?
Because some value is already there at the place
Okay, okay.
in that
Anything else?
location.
Anything else? Tell me a similar scenario. Static int x. Now x is int but static. Cout x. What will be the? So you said for this I will get garbage value. For this I will get. Huh? Again garbage because x is again not having value. No. I will get answer as 0. Here x is not having value, but it is giving 0. Here x is not having value, but it is giving garbage because x belongs to int x belongs to auto storage class. You must have studied storage classes in C. Yes or no? Yes or no? Please respond.
Yes, sir.
But here x belongs to static storage class and static storage class default value is 0. Auto storage class default value is garbage. Any random value you will get. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
I must say your programming is not that good. Please work hard on your programming skills. Garbage collection. Now let us do garbage collection concept with the help of one diagram. So I have a linked list. How many nodes I have in the linked list? How many nodes I have?
3, sir.
3. So I have stored bat into it. So how this data will be stored in the memory? Like this. Sorry. How this data will be stored like this. Because node is having two parts. That is why node is having two part data and pointer. That is why I have divided this table into two parts. ये table हमने अभी आज देखा था हमने, if you remember.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I store randomly. BAT bat. Now start node is which node?
B, sir.
B. तो B के साथ यहाँ मैं क्या स्टोर करूंगा?
5, sir.
A के साथ क्या स्टोर करूंगा?
1, sir.
And T के साथ?
0.
B के बाद A. तो B के बाद fifth location पे A. After A, I have T. After A,
First
on first location, I have T. That is 0. 0 means end of the linked list. Yes. But how many locations are empty? 1, 2, 3,
4.
4. So this is my available memory. Avail is also called as
Garbage collection.
garbage collection. Now, which is the first location available?
3, sir.
After 3,
4.
fourth is empty. After 4,
6.
6th is empty. After 6th,
7.
7th is empty and 0. So third location is empty. After third, fourth location is empty. After fourth, sixth location is empty. After sixth, seventh location is empty. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So how many
Yes, sir.
nodes I have in the avail? 1, 2, 3, 4.
3, 4.
So avail list will have how many nodes?
4 nodes, sir.
4 nodes. This is my avail node. Now come to the definition of garbage collection or avail. It is the list of empty memory locations. It is the list of empty memory locations. Garbage collection or avail is the list of empty memory locations. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now this garbage collection is done automatically in the computers. I'll give you one example. Suppose you have a pen drive of 16 GB capacity. Okay. And how much available memory is there? 16 GB?
No,
Yes
sir.
or no?
Slide.
No, sir. No, sir.
भाई 16 GB की कैपेसिटी पेन ड्राइव में 16 GB मेमोरी होगा. Yes or no?
थोड़ा कम.
Yes.
थोड़ा कम नहीं हो.
थोड़ा एग्जैक्ट अब हम आइडिया लेके चल रहे हैं. ऑफ कोर्स हम ये बोलने में तो यही आता है 16 GB कैपेसिटी इज देयर.
Yes, sir.
थोड़ा कम
Yes,
होता है
sir.
एक्चुअली वो सही बात है.
Yes, sir.
16 GB capacity is there and you copy a movie of 2 GB into that. How much memory is left?
14.
14 GB, sir.
तो जब भी आपको मेमोरी चाहिए होता है आपको मेमोरी कहां से मिलता है? फ्री मेमोरी से. Yes or no? And
Yes,
when you
sir.
delete that movie, what will be the capacity of pen drive?
16.
Again 16 GB. Yes or no? इसका
Yes,
मतलब
sir.
है
Yes,
कि
sir.
there is some component in my computer system which collects these empty memory locations so that next time when I need memory, I can reuse that memory. Now, why I'm telling this concept? Suppose you want to add a fourth node into this list, main linked list. You want to add a fourth node, तो वो memory मुझे कहां से मिलेगा?
Avail.
अवेल से. अवेल का नोड जाएगा. If I want to add a new node, this means linked list में till what time I can add a new node? Till I have
Avail.
available in avail.
क्योंकि मुझे मेमोरी कहां से मिलती है? अवेल से.
No, sir.
If I don't have memory in the avail, can I insert a node in the linked list?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
Similarly, if I delete A, this memory will be returned to
Avail, sir.
avail. तो जब मेमोरी चाहिए होती है तो avail से मिलती है. And if we delete something, वो empty memory avail में जाके add हो जाती है. Because that is now available. We can reuse this node later on if I need to add a new node into my linked list. Is it clear now? Now, suppose imagine a condition, avail is null. That means we don't have any memory. We don't have any node. Avail is null. So can I insert a new node in the linked list?
No, sir.
No, because memory is already full. And when memory is full, we try to insert. It is a condition of
Overflows.
overflow. So this is a condition of overflow. When avail is null. Available memory नहीं है. node ही नहीं है available, memory नहीं है empty. So how we can insert a new node in the list? Because memory is full, we don't have any free node. So this is a condition of overflow. Avail is null. Okay?
Yes,
Can we
sir.
move now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now we are going to see a very important topic. Please see it very carefully. Insertion of a node into the linked list. मुझे linked list में node insert करना है. So I have 3 cases of it: at the beginning, at the location, and at the end. So we have 3 cases, we have 3 different algorithms for it. So should we start?
Yes, sir.
So first we will see the case of insertion at the
Beginning.
Beginning.
Sir.
Or start. Anything you can say. Insertion at the beginning. Let us do one good example for it, and trust me, again, if you know a good example, you can write your own algorithm for it. You do not need to cram any bookish or any algorithm from the internet. You just need to see the concept and you can write your own algorithm. Now let us see. I have this linked list. Please see this concept very carefully because it is very important for you. So I have some data BAT stored into it. This is my start. And second list is my which list? Memory कहाँ से लूँगा?
Avail.
Avail से. So how many nodes I have in the avail?
3.
3.
3.
So I have to insert a node at the beginning. यानी B पहले नोड थी, अब एक नई नोड जाएगी at the beginning. So I will take this node, a new node from the avail, and avail will now point to the second node because earlier 3 were available. Now 2 will be available because this will go.
2.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I will take this memory node which I want to insert at the beginning. Now avail will point to the second node because now two nodes avail has, because this node is already inserted. Now this node had data BAT. I copy some data, okay, L into it. Now this node has to be inserted here. If this node has to be inserted here, start will point to this node and this node will point to this node. That is how it will be inserted at the beginning.
Start
Yes or
will
no?
point to the new node.
Because start will point to the new node, na? Because it is
Yes, sir.
the first node beginning, and this will point to the rest of the list. Logic is clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir.
Should we write the algo?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And trust me, you have already done the algo if you know this logic. So let us do the first step. If avail is null, can I insert?
No, sir.
No, because we are inserting, and in insertion may we have to check the condition of overflow, because insertion से overflow हो सकता है. When you are having a bucket in your at your home and it is full, you will insert something, then it will be overflowing. Insertion, you need to check overflow. Deletion, you need to check underflow. If avail is null, avail में node ही नहीं है, can I insert?
No, sir.
No. So I will print overflow if avail is null and exit. Algorithm यही खत्म हो जाएगा. Algorithm will end here. First step is clear.
Yes, sir.
Second step में हमने क्या न्यू नोड लिया था avail से. तो set new is equal to avail and avail is equal to link of avail. तो avail ये मेरी पहले कौन सी नोड थी?
Avail node.
avail नोड. इसको मैंने क्या नाम दे दिया?
New.
avail को मैंने न्यू नाम दे दिया. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes, sir.
avail will point to this. Earlier this was avail. Earlier this was avail. Now its link will be avail. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So your new avail will be link of old avail. Your new avail will be link of old avail, because avail will now point to the second node. Second step is clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts? If you are like uncomfortable with any of the step, you can tell me. We can repeat. If avail is null, there's no memory, we cannot insert. Memory is full, overflow and exit. Otherwise, I will name this avail node as new node. Avail node को new node name दे दिया. And avail is equal to, earlier this was avail, now its link is avail. Because this is not avail now. This is going to be inserted. So your new avail will be link of old avail. Your new avail will be link of old avail. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Third step. Set info of new is equal to item. Info of new में मैंने item डाल दिया L. Data. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
सारे मैं वही सब लिख रहा हूँ जो हमने बोले. Yes or no? Now these fourth, fifth steps are left. Tell me, start will point to new and new will point to this. If new wants to point to this list, तो new को B का address चाहिए, पर B का address किसके पास है?
Start.
Start के बाद.
Start के पास. तो set link of new will be this node, and this node is my start node. Link of
Yes,
new is
sir.
start. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
This
Yes,
new node
sir.
will point to B node, and B node is my start node. So link of new will be start node. And start किसको point करेगा? New को.
New
Start is equal
person.
to new. New is your new start. New is your new start now. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Is it easy?
Yes,
Any
sir.
step you want me to repeat? I can repeat the whole algo if it is not clear. Please tell me. Any doubts? Should I
Yes,
repeat
sir,
the whole
repeat it.
algo?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Please.
Yes,
If
sir.
avail is
Repeat it
null,
once. Yes, sir.
memory is not there. Can you insert? No. Memory is full. And when memory is full, what we say? Overflow and exit. Overflow hoga. We cannot insert. Second step. These three nodes you had in avail. And I first node, which was named as avail, उसको मैंने name दे दिया new, because this new node is going to be inserted at the beginning. And avail is equal to link of avail. Earlier this was avail, now its link is now avail. This is not avail now, because this is going to be inserted. जब avail is equal to link of avail point करना शुरू कर देगा, new node avail से बाहर आ जाएगी, insert होने के लिए ready है, because avail इसको point कर रहा है, ये तो बाहर आ गया. Now info of new is item. Info node में मैंने I have put L, like these node have info PAT, इसमें मैंने कुछ भी डाल दिया L. Now new will point to this node, and this node is my start node. तो link of new is start, and start ने किसको point करना है? New को, and start is equal to new. देखिए ना, new का address है मान लो कुछ भी 2040, B का address है 3050, तो start में क्या होगा? 3050. Yes or no? अब
Yes, sir.
yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
New needs the address of B, and address of B is 3040. किसके पास है? Start के पास. तो link of new will be 3050. Start. And start को किसका address चाहिए?
New.
New का.
New.
ताकि start new को point कर सके. तो मैंने लिख दिया start is equal to new. जो भी 2040 है वो start में चला जाएगा. New node will be your new start. This will be your new start node. इसमें दो चीजें ध्यान देने वाली हैं जो आपने ध्यान नहीं दिया. फर्स्ट थिंग, मैंने स्टार्ट को न्यू से पॉइंट कराया एंड न्यू को बी से पॉइंट कराया. यस और नो?
Yes, sir.
पहले न्यू को बी से लिंक करना पड़ेगा, उसके बाद स्टार्ट को न्यू से लिंक कर सकते हैं। गलती से अगर आपने पहले स्टार्ट को न्यू पॉइंट करा दिया तो फिर स्टार्ट बी का एड्रेस भूल जाएगा, बिकॉज अब स्टार्ट के पास किसका एड्रेस है? न्यू का। तो फिर न्यू कभी भी बी को पॉइंट नहीं कर पाएगा। ये लॉजिक समझ आया या नहीं?
Yes, sir.
First you need to link this new with this node, because new needs the address of this node and this, इसका एड्रेस किसके पास है? गलती से अगर आपने पहले स्टार्ट, अगर आपने स्टेप स्वैप कर दिए, स्टार्ट न्यू पहले लिख दिया, ये बाद में लिख दिया, तो दिक्कत हो जाएगी। स्टार्ट will be pointing to new, start will have the address of new, start will forget the address of b, so how new will point to b? This logic is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And second thing, very important, by inserting, हमने अवेल का पहला ही नोड क्यों लिया? सेकंड नोड क्यों नहीं लिया? थर्ड नोड क्यों नहीं लिया?
सर बिकॉज सेकंड नोड का जो एड्रेस है वो फर्स्ट के पास है एंड फर्स्ट का एड्रेस अवेल के स्टार्ट के पास है।
इफ आई नीड टू इंसर्ट दिस नोड, मुझे इसका एड्रेस निकालना पड़ेगा। इसका एड्रेस तो ऑलरेडी मेरे पास है, किसमें?
Avail.
That is why while inserting it is always the first node of avail. If you want to insert second node, you can insert, but code complexity will increase in that case. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Should I erase it?
Yes, sir.
Have you noted
sir.
it down?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Should I erase it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, second case, insertion at
Location.
insertion at what is
Location.
the case?
Location.
Location. Exactly. Now, this is my linked list. A, B, C, some data we have, and here is avail. 1, 2, suppose 3. And this is the location where I want to insert. That means B के बाद, B और C के बीच में. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
तो again same step, avail से एक new node लूंगा, avail will be link of avail. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
इस नोड को कोई डाटा दे दूंगा D, सपोज कुछ भी P, एंड ये न्यू नोड कहां जाएगी? B के बाद। तो इस लोकेशन के बाद, तो मतलब B will point to P and P will point to
C, sir.
C, तभी वो बीच में जाएगा।
Yes, sir.
Logic is clear?
Yes, sir.
Logic is clear or not?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
repeat करना।
See. Again, I will take a new node. Avail will point to link of avail. And next thing is, I want to insert this location here after this location. That means B और C के बीच में, तो B इसको point करेगा और ये C को point करेगा, तभी उसके बीच में जाएगा।
Yes, sir.
चलें आगे।
हाँ जी, sir.
तो first three steps are same. If avail is null, I cannot insert. I will take a new node from avail. Avail is equal to link of avail. Set info of new is equal to item. First three steps are same.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Fourth step. I have to imagine if location is null. Suppose this location does not exist where I want to insert. Then what I will do? आपने बोल दिया B के बाद डालना है, पर B नोड है ही नहीं. Then what we will do? We will insert that node if location does not exist. If that location does not exist, please keep this thing in mind. If that location does not exist, you have to insert that node at the beginning. And beginning के step अभी हमने किए थे क्या? Set link of new is equal to start and start is equal to new. अभी लिखे थे या नहीं?
Yes, sir.
Else मतलब location है. If location is null, I repeat, if this location does not exist where you want to insert, so we will insert always that node at the
Beginning.
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 Yes, beginning. Else means location hai. Now, let me write the step. Else part समझने वाला रह गया. Yes or no? If location does exist, तो P किसको point करेगा?
C को.
ठीक है
Link C.
Please say loudly. P किसको point करेगा?
सी को सर
C का address किसके पास है?
बी
B के पास. Suppose C is stored on 3040. Here will be stored 3040, the address of the next node. The link of new will be this node. Yes or no?
यस सर
Which is link of lock? Yes or no? Link of new will be this node, which is link of lock. See, link of new. P needs the address of C. तो इसके लिंक पार्ट में आप क्या डालेंगे?
30 40
वो कहाँ स्टोर है? लॉक
वो
के
बी
लिंक में.
यस सर
मैंने क्या लिखा?
B के पास.
New of link of new will be link of lock. Is this step clear or not?
यस सर
Should I repeat? Please tell me, should I repeat?
Yes, sir.
If location is null, then we know we have to insert at the beginning. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Else lock will point to new and new will point to C. So link of new will be this node, which is link of lock. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
तो मैंने यही लिखा है. Link of new will be link of lock because link of new is this. New का address part. उसको C का address चाहिए, पर C का address किसके पास है? Lock के link में. तो न्यू के लिंक में मैं क्या डालूंगा? लॉक का लिंक 3040, तभी वो उसको पॉइंट कर पाएगा. यस और नो?
Yes, sir.
एंड
Yes, sir.
लॉक को किसको पॉइंट करना है? न्यू को. तो लिंक ऑफ लॉक विल बी न्यू. इज दिस क्लियर और नॉट?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
आपकी वॉइस इंटेंसिटी जब कम हो जाती है तो समझ लगता है कि कुछ चीजें नहीं समझ आई. इज इट क्लियर?
Yes,
Or
sir.
I should
Yes, sir.
repeat. Please tell me if I should repeat any of the step.
No, sir, it's clear.
क्लियर सर
All please. कुछ 3-4 लोगों की आवाज आ रही मुझे. सबको क्लियर है?
यस
Yes, sir.
न्यू का एड्रेस कौन सा?
हाँ? This step.
एड्रेस
This step.
लास्ट.
हाँ, हाँ. Lock will point to which node? New. So link of lock will be new. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Is it clear to everyone?
यस सर
Yes.
Yes,
Please
sir.
don't worry. If you are getting it, it is very good. If you are getting this concept, please read this in a day or two. इसको 4 दिन का गैप में डालना, because otherwise you will forget the concepts. इसको 3-4 दिन में एक बार लिख के देख लो अपने हाथ से. And if you still feel any difficulty, my WhatsApp number is with you. Just send me the algo and ask me any step which is not clear to you. Or I can take a Zoom repair session for this also, if you are having any doubts or any questions about the linked list. But you do not need to worry anything on it. Okay? Tell me your issues, tell me your problems, tell me your doubts. Then I will be able to help you. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Should we move now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we are left with the last case, insertion at the
And
end. So let us draw a clean diagram for it and again see the concept. But let me tell you, insertion at the beginning, insertion at the location, these algorithms are given in your book. But insertion at the end, this algorithm is not given in the notes or the book. So let us write its algorithm. Let us generate its algorithm. So I have a linked list. I have a linked list here. And I have some data A, B, C into it. And this is my start. And here I have my end. Oh, sorry. Avail. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
मान लीजिए अवेल में 2 ही नोड्स हैं. तो अगेन आई विल टेक अ न्यू नोड फ्रॉम द अवेल. अवेल इज इक्वल टू लिंक ऑफ अवेल. सेम स्टेप्स, पहले 3 स्टेप सेम. अब ये न्यू नोड कहां जाएगी?
At the end.
एट द एंड में. अगर ये एंड में जाएगी तो ये लास्ट नोड होगी, तो इसका लिंक क्या होगा?
Null.
क्योंकि लास्ट नोड का लिंक नल होता है.
null,
अब मुझे सिर्फ ये करना है कि सी के लिंक को सेट करना है न्यू. हो जाएगा इंसर्ट एट द एंड. यस और नो?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
बट पॉइंटर कहां है अभी? स्टार्ट पे. मुझे पॉइंटर को यहां लेके जाना पड़ेगा. तो उसके लिए स्टेप लिखेंगे. सेट पॉइंटर इज इक्वल टू स्टार्ट. रिपीट while pointer is not equal to null and pointer is equal to link of pointer. End of step 5 loop. अब मुझे ये बताइए कि इस लूप का रिजल्ट क्या होगा? पॉइंटर कहां आ जाएगा?
नल पे.
लास्ट नोड पे. स्टार्ट से लेके मैंने नल तक चलाया, तो पॉइंटर यहां आएगा, यहां आएगा, यहां आके रुक जाएगा. यस और नो? पॉइंटर
Yes,
कहां आ जाएगा? लास्ट नोड पे.
yes sir,
लूप चलाई ना, पॉइंटर स्टार्ट टिल नल, पॉइंटर इज इक्वल टू लिंक ऑफ पॉइंटर, पॉइंटर इज इक्वल टू लिंक ऑफ पॉइंटर, पॉइंटर इज इक्वल टू लिंक ऑफ पॉइंटर, पॉइंटर विल कम हियर एट द एंड बिकॉज़ के आगे तो नल है. तो 6th स्टेप विल बी सेट लिंक ऑफ पॉइंटर इज इक्वल टू
New.
न्यू
new.
new,
एंड लिंक ऑफ न्यू.
To
लिंक
null.
ऑफ न्यू
नल.
नल.
Null.
देखिए
null,
आप खुद ही बना रहे हैं एल्गोरिथम.
Sir, the last step is not visible.
Okay, sorry. Set link of pointer as new, and 7th step is set link of new as null because new node is my last node. We are inserting at the end. लो जी algorithm. मुश्किल है?
No, sir.
पॉइंटर स्टार्ट से लेके नल तक लेके गए, इसका लिंक नल कर दिया, इंसर्ट कर दिया. Please note down this algorithm because this algorithm is not available in the book or notes. Is it clear? Any step which is not clear? Is it clear to everyone?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
yes sir,
Yes, sir.
यस सर.
Easy है लिंक लिस्ट या मुश्किल है?
ठीक है सर,
ठीक है, चलिए अच्छी बात है. अगर ठीक है तो कुछ दिन नहीं पढ़ेंगे तो भूल जाएंगे कॉन्सेप्ट कि ये क्या स्टेप था. लिंक ऑफ न्यू इज इक्वल टू स्टार्ट, स्टार्ट इज इक्वल टू लिंक. तो प्लीज गो थ्रू इट and try to write in your own words and then match how correctly you have written the algorithm. Then its actual power. See, this is this is the power of this subject. The problem for which we don't have solution in the book, we can generate our own solution for it. Okay?
Yes, sir.
And I will send a tutorial sheet for you people to write a few new algorithms for linked list. But please go through it. Linked list is a very important unit for you because next we have stacks, queues, trees, graph. They will use linked list. So its concept must be very clear to you. And this is the easiest way we can do these concepts with the help of one diagram. First, understand the concept, write in your own words. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So let us go for the second poll of today. Okay, poll is launched. Please attempt. It is having 4 questions. Please attempt. Please attempt poll. Only 5 people have attended this poll. Okay, I'm going to end this poll. The first question was garbage collection is a list of empty memory locations. Yes. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So for insertion of the
Yes,
node
sir.
into the linked list, it takes memory from
Avail memory.
avail memory.
Avail.
Avail memory. When you delete a node from the list, the memory is returned to
Avail.
avail. And garbage collection is done by
Assembler.
compiler. It is done by compiler. You declare a variable, then you stop using it. So compiler automatically deallocates memory. Memory आपको मिलना is called allocation. आपसे memory वापस ले लेना is called deallocation. In some cases it is done by, if you are programming it, then it is done by compiler. Otherwise it is done by OS. Your operating system is always collecting empty memory locations so that you can use it for the future references. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Any doubts for today?
No, sir.
Any doubts for today?
No, sir.
So this is the last topic for today. In next, see, we are doing one-way linked list. In future coming topic, we will be doing two-way linked list. अभी आप देख रहे हैं one data point, one data and a pointer containing the address of the next node. Then we will see a linked list, a node which is having address of the next node and the previous node also. So that is a called two-way linked list or double linked list that we will do shortly in our next lectures. So in next lecture, we will wind up this linked list data structure. I hope this was easy for you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, please go through this all topic, and my WhatsApp number is with you. Give me your doubts, queries, whatever question you have for this linked list chapter. But please do it very seriously because this is going to be very crucial for you. Even in interviews, they ask you to write a code for, write a algo for linked list or a technique for linked list. So you must be able to, like, how we can write an algo or program for the linked list. And in a shortcoming lecture, I will be telling you how you can code this linked list, because you have coded for arrays, but you have not coded for linked list. Yes or no? Yes or
sir.
no?
Yes, sir.
So we will
Yes,
see
sir.
how we can code this linked list. Okay, it is a bit complex, but once we get used to it, आपने algo देख ली है, तो algo को ही बस एक language form में लिखना है, तो it will be working. Okay? Okay, thank you for today.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Okay,
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.